In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Confluence automation rules. This feature lets you streamline your Confluence tasks by creating automated processes, and it's a fantastic tool for increasing efficiency within your team. Let's dive right in and get started. First, navigate to your Confluence Spaces settings. Within the settings, you'll want to locate the automation section. Here, you'll encounter options for both global and space-specific automation. This is your starting point for setting up any automation rules. By focusing on space automation, you can tailor tasks to your specific area, ensuring the rules are relevant and helpful for your team. Once in the automation section, you'll see a Create Rule button. Go ahead and click that to initiate the process of setting up your new automation rule. This handy button is your gateway to building streamlined workflows that save time and resources in the long run. Next, you need to select the event that will trigger your automation. The available options are quite versatile. You could opt for an event like a page being published, a comment being added, or even go for something based on a specific date. There's also the option for manual triggers. Think about which event would best suit the tasks you'd like to automate. Choosing the right trigger is key as it sets the automation in motion. You might want to add components to further refine your rule. This step is optional, but it gives you more control. Components include conditions, branches, and actions. Conditions let you narrow down when exactly your rule should apply. Branches enable different actions based on certain criteria, and actions define what happens when your rule is triggered. It's like building a flowchart for your automation, making sure each action logically follows the previous one. Now, let's configure these components. Follow the prompts provided to input the necessary details in each component. This might involve using smart values, which allow you to dynamically insert information into your actions. Smart values are incredibly useful for tailoring your automation to specific needs, making sure each action yields the most relevant results. After your components are all set up, it's time to activate your rule. Click the Turn On Rule button to bring your automation to life. But wait, before you proceed, give your rule a name. Naming your rule helps in easily identifying it later, especially if you're managing multiple automation rules. There's another decision to make regarding who can edit this rule. In the Who Can Edit This Rule drop-down menu, you can choose between private, specific admins, or all admins. Select the option that best aligns with your team's governance policy. Finally, click Turn On Rule once more to finalize and activate your automation, and there you have it. Your Confluence automation rule is now up and running, ready to save you time and streamline your processes. With these steps complete, you're well on your way to becoming a Confluence automation pro.